I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce to sell. Start by developing a bold, balanced recipe and testing small batches for flavor, heat, and shelf stability. I'll guide you through ingredient selection, proper fermentation or vinegar methods, labeling rules, packaging options, and simple cost calculations. Stay warm and curious as we break each step into actionable tasks you can try at home or in a small commercial kitchen. Let's focus on ingredients, balancing heat, acid, and sweetness to create a stable, shelf-safe sauce. Choose peppers by flavor and scoville level, and add vinegar or citrus for preservation and tang. Consider using salt, sugar, and pectin to adjust mouthfeel and viscosity. I will explain simple testing for pH and how to adjust recipes for consistent flavor batch to batch, plus tips for scaling from kitchen to production and safety. Now we cover packaging, labeling, pricing, and simple business basics you'll need to sell hot sauce. Choose glass or PET bottles and tamper-evident seals that match your brand. Create a label with ingredients, allergen warnings, net weight, and contact information to meet regulations. Price with ingredient, labor, packaging, overhead, and desired profit margin in mind, and consider local permits, insurance, and sales tax registration before launching. Start small.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.